How to use noise reduction in Audiate. First of all, open your project in Audiate and make sure your voice clip is selected. You will see the waveform and the transcription right in front of you, which makes editing super easy. Next, look at the bottom right corner where you will find the option Toggle Properties panel. Click on it. Under the effects panel, you will see a plus icon. Click on it to open the effects panel. Then select Remove Noise. This will apply the effect to your selected audio clip instantly. After that, you will notice one adjustable option on the Remove Noise, and that is Amount. Use the slider to move it up or down. Sliding it up increases the noise reduction strength, which is helpful if your audio has a lot of background noise. Sliding it down reduces the strength, keeping your voice more natural if the noise is minimal. If your background noise is light, keep the amount low, around 20 to 30%. For stronger noise, you can raise it to 70 or even 80%, but be careful, too much can make your voice sound unnatural. Once you are done adjusting, play back your audio to hear the difference. If it sounds clear and natural, you are all set. If not, fine-tune the slider until the balance feels right. And that's it. Now you know how to use noise reduction in Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.